Maruti Suzuki cars are particularly known for their safety and build quality. The Indo-Japanese car maker has been often subjected to online criticism and trolling regarding its substandard safety tech. The only car in its portfolio to have received a respectable safety score is the Vitara Brezza. The subcompact SUV was crash tested by Global NCAP back in 2018 and received a 4-star adult safety rating and a 2-star rating for child occupant protection. Recently, the Toyota urban cruiser Brezza's rebadged twin was also crash tested by Global NCAP. The SUV received a 4-star adult safety rating and a 3-star rating for child protection with a better overall score than the Brezza. The surprising result was made possible by using rear-facing child seat this time around. It's common for manufacturers to make some changes to the structure over a period of time to make it more economical. This is the reason why Global NCAP decided to test urban cruiser despite having already tested the Brezza back in 2018. While the testing body was pleasantly surprised to see the urban cruiser obtaining better results than its twin sibling. Global NCAP Secretary General Furus confirmed that the Brezza and urban cruiser are not far away from a 5-star rating and the manufacturer doesn't need to do much to achieve this. The other reason Brezza could be the Maruti's first 5-star rated car is the upcoming facelift. The company could easily use the redesigning as an opportunity to engineer the few technical changes and achieve the 5-star rating. With safety getting increasingly important with the Indian buyers, this would only further help the Brezza stand out in a crowded compact SUV segment. We already know that Maruti will equip its new Brezza with electronic stability control and up to 6 airbags to meet the upcoming safety mandate in India. This could simply reflect in its score in the crash test performance. Apart from safety, the new gen Brezza will add more creature comforts to the list like an electric sunroof, pedal shifters, 360-degree camera, touchscreen infotainment system with Smart Play Pro Plus software, connected car tech and more. It will be powered by a new 1.5-liter K15C engine with 114 bhp and 137 Nm of peak torque. See you soon. Thanks for watching.